Mga chinggo, panoorin natin tong funny video ni Gotcha Bell sa ni Emma Bell. Alright, so ito na. Andali, excited ako. So here we go.
Emma!
Ano to, acting?
Emma! I cannot just stay without you. I need to go. Emma! Emma! I cannot breathe.
Ang galing.
You cannot breathe. Water. Drink water.
So much more like when
Okay, you're okay now. I need to go, Belle. I'm so
Grabe yung
sorry.
tandem ng dalawang to, no?
But before I leave, I want you to have this.
you said that you'd be here forever. Then you
Don't leave me! Don't wanna live.
that you
Ang galing ni Gotcha Bell eh.
I was hurt.
Pipil ko talaga tong dalawa to pag napapanood ko.
Easy to forget yesterday, and I pray that you would stay. But then you're gone, and oh, so far away.
Ang cute naman ng gumawa nito.
I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurting from
Yun.
within.
Grabe naman.
I have learned to live
Grabe,
my
ang
life
ganda ng
with
tandem ng
shame.
dalawang to. Ang sarap-sarap nilang panuorin, nakakaaliw, 'di ba? At ang lakas ng chemistry ng dalawang to. Kaya suportahan natin, guys, si Gotcha Bell at saka si Emma. Alright, kung nagustuhan niyo to, guys, bigyan niyo to malaking likes, mag-comment kayo kung meron kang mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. Bye po.